Hi, this is Kevin from Integrity Now Insurance Brokers talking to you about auto insurance. Most people think about auto insurance as if I get in an accident, I will have to replace my car and maybe the other person's car that I hit, and they want to make sure they have enough coverage. In the state of California, the minimum limits is $15,000, $30,000, $5,000. That's $15,000 for bodily injury, $30,000 maximum for two people, and $5,000 for property damage. Most cars in the state of California are usually fairly new and will cost around $30,000 to $40,000 to purchase. So the damage to the car can be quite substantial, so buying minimum limits is the last thing I would recommend. The other thing we got to think about is the $15,000, $30,000, which is your bodily injury limits. So when you think about car insurance, what you really should be thinking about is the emergency room bill. So typically, I usually recommend insurance to be no less than $100,000, $300,000, which equals $100,000 per person, $300,000 per accident for a maximum of 3 people effectively if each person had $100,000 in bodily injury issues when they go to the emergency room. I personally carry $250,000, $500,000 with a $1 million umbrella policy. I do this because I know the loss, basically the loss can be quite substantial as related to emergency rooms and dealing with patients or people's injuries as related to an auto accident. Again, this is Kevin Edwards with Integrity Now Insurance Brokers. If you're carrying the minimum state limits, I would highly recommend that you give me a call today. It doesn't cost that much more to increase you to the national recommendation for all 50 states of $100,000, $300,000. And if you own a house, you may want to consider moving that up to $250,000, $500,000 with a $100,000 property damage limit, not the $5,000 of the state minimum, and then also throw on a umbrella policy of either $1 or $2 million, depending on how many assets you may have. Again, this is Kevin Edwards with Integrity Now Insurance Brokers. Please give me a call at 562-606-1030. In about 20 minutes, we can have a full quote generated from about 5-6 carriers. Again, as a broker, we have access to multiple carriers, and that way we can shop around the best price in a matter of seconds after we hit submit, and we'll see exactly what we're facing from a price standpoint and a coverage standpoint, which is the most important piece. Or you can check us out on our website at www.integritynowins.com. I look forward to talking to you real soon. Thank you.